Hello, DIY Glamettes. Welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. And if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 glam high-end DIYs. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this DIY project started. Now you guys, as I told you earlier, I did accidentally delete the beginning portion of this video clip. I'm sorry, I can't talk today, but this is my Ross mirror. I have already spray painted it, and I used that Rust-Oleum 2 times the coverage, and this was actually the sunshine yellow paint. So we're gonna clean up this painting. I'm gonna take my scraper, clear off all of the paint. I just need you to follow me along. It's gonna be self-explanatory. I'm using the rhinestone epoxy sheets in this Total Dazzle Tiffany applique. Make sure you check out Total Dazzle to pick up you some fabulous accessories to jazz up DIY, or just to use them as is. Alright, we're gonna clean this up. And you guys too, this is a hack that I do use, one of my many hacks that I use to clean my mirrors. Now it works well if you spray paint something and you don't feel like covering it up. It will pull all of that spray paint off, plus it gives your mirrors this gorgeous shine like it was professionally clean. Make sure you check out this hack. And you guys, I'm giving extra details to the edge of this mirror, as you can see here. And one reason you do see me constantly turning the picture from different angles, if you're painting something or cleaning something, if you turn that item a full 360, you guys, you'll be able to see in one angle where something looks clean. If you turn it, you'll be able to see if it's any traces of anything left. So, and just even in enter your cleaning, or if you try this painting hack, just make sure you take it off. And like I said, I just take that straight razor after I hold it on the angle to peel the paint. I go back and I just brush or tap it or slide it, whatever you want to call it, to clean that paint up all, so my edges or my trim off of anything can look extremely clean and professional, like you can't even tell that I actually painted this mirror frame. and repeat these steps normally at least 3 to 4 times to make sure I don't have a trace of anything. But once I do finish that and cleaning it as well, I'll begin to add the embellishments to totally jazz this mirror up. Now too, guys, if you're still watching and you haven't become a part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, please do so right now. Here on the Glam Queen of DIY, I feature glam high-end DIYs. I do room decor ideas, home decor ideas, anything on the scale of glam, you will see it here. I love featuring mirror mosaic tile, epoxy crushed glass sheets, and epoxy diamond rhinestone sheets. Another one of my favorites is adhesive sheets. I'm going to drop links for my favorite items down in the description box, along with the link for all of the items that was actually used to create these beautiful wall decor items. And please don't forget, make sure you do subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY to see all of the wonderful glam high-end DIYs that I do create here on this channel. And now I'm just completing the trim work here on this picture frame, and it looks like this, you guys. I'm telling you, the camera is not doing this picture any justice. We're getting ready to add that Total Dazzle applique to this frame. Please don't forget, my Total Dazzle link is down in the description box. If you click that link and pick up you some nice items, it does not cost you anything extra to click that link. You just help your girl make a few coins. So make sure you always check my description box for all of my affiliate links and my discount codes. This applique was self-adhesive. I'm not adding anything extra to it. I just wanted to go on the frame, and we're putting it on. And I'm telling you guys, this thing is gorgeous. I'm going to show you a clip for you to see how it looks just hanging in a spot here in my home. And this is what it's looking like, you guys. But please don't forget to make sure you go over and check out the Glam Queen of Decor. That's right, Glam Queen of Decor this afternoon at 7 p.m. to see this full room tour. And if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed to the Glam Queen of DIY, do so at this time. Make sure you subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor and Glam Queen Unboxing. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive.